Good morning, Reynaldo. I hope you had a very good night's sleep and that you are ready to begin working on IEP goals 3 and 4. So for goal number 3, we are going to solve one to two-step problems using table graphs or pictographs or bar graphs and line graphs. And this is just a review because I know you have gone over this already, but for today's worksheet we are going to do favorite sports, and this is just a review on all these bar and line graphs. So this is our assignment today. It is called Favorite Sports. Don't forget to write your name and the date. Today is March the 5th, 2021. And on the top it says, following tally chart shows the favorite sports of a group of school students. Use the chart to complete the table and answer the questions. So here we have our table, we have our football, our rugby, our volleyball, and our tennis. And we have our tallies right here. Let's count each tally so we can write down the total amount. That way it will be easier for us when we are filling in the table and to answer the questions. So we know that it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then for 5 it goes across. So you have 5 here, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 students love football. Now let's do the same thing for rugby. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we're going to put in 18 for rugby. Volleyball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And now tennis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 people love tennis. So now we have a total of 5 questions. I'm going to do question number 1 with you and you will do the rest on your own. For question number 1, it says, use the tally data to complete the following data table. So they already gave us football and it said 15. So look, the same thing we did here, we just now have to input them here. So they already did football for us, now rugby, so we put here 18, so that is what we're going to write down here. Then for volleyball, we have 13. And for tennis, we have 20. Easy peasy. So now you will answer the following questions on your own. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. If not, once you are done with this assignment, we will continue to move on to goal number 4. So for goal number 4, we are going to solve problems involving amount of money. So we are going to identify whether we need to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. And I know you have seen all of these assignments already, Ray, and that we have gone through all of the 3 objectives. This is our last objective. We are in the 36 instructional weeks, so that means this is just a review before we move on to new goals. So here we have our money sheet anchor chart, And we have our penny, and we know it's worth 1 cent. Our nickel, which is worth 5 cents. Our dimes, which are worth 10. Our quarter, which are worth 25 cents. And here we have our dollar quarter, which now we see more often the dollar bill. However, these are still around, and at any time may you encounter them, so just know that these are worth $1. And the worksheet for today is called Identifying Coins by Order. So if you can please take out this worksheet so we can work on it together. So for this worksheet, we are going to determine which choice best describes the coins in the order shown. So they are in a certain order, and here we are going to identify them. However, we are going to do it by their names. So we must know the name of each coin in order to answer the question. So for question number 1, we know that this is a dime. Good job. And the next one is a nickel. The next one is a quarter. And then we have our penny. So down here, I'm going to label them with their first initial. So the dime, I'm going to put the D. Then we have our nickel, our quarter, and our penny. And now we're going to look through these answer choices and find the correct order that they are right here. So for letter A, we have nickel, dime, quarter, and penny. Do we even start with a nickel? No, we do not. So that cannot be our answer. Next one, penny is our first one. Is penny our first choice right here? No, so letter B cannot be our answer either. Letter C, quarter. Do we start with a quarter? No, we start with a dime. So letter C cannot be our quarter. Dime. Do we start with a dime here? Yes. Let's continue to make sure, see if this is our answer. Nickel. Is this a nickel? Yes. Then quarter. This is a quarter. And penny. This is a penny. Good job. We have found our answer. It is letter D. Dime, nickel, quarter, and penny. And over here, I'm going to put letter D. That is the answer we chose. And that is what you are going to do for the rest of the questions. Rey, do not forget to do this strategy. It will help you out a lot once you come over here to the answer choices. Once you are done with this worksheet, do not forget to submit it to Teams and give your thumbs up for attendance. Once you have done all of that, you are good for today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you here back on Monday. Goodbye, Rey.